Namaste, greetings to all. I'm Sunita Tiwari from India Kitchen. Today I'm going to make Methi Malai Matar. So let's begin. In a kadhai, add 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Heat the oil and add 1 medium-sized chopped onions to the kadhai. Cook the onions in the kadhai until they become translucent. Once the onions are cooked, add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic and half-inch ginger, which is chopped into small pieces, and add it to the pan. Now add 1.5 cup of matar. You can also use frozen matar and cook it on medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Mix everything together. Cover the kadhai with a lid and let the matar cook. Add 1 cup milk and mix it well with the matar. Bring the milk to a boil and add 4 tablespoons of Kasturi Methi or dried Methi to the pan. As you can see, the mixture has thickened. Now add half cup milk to it to give a flowing texture. Add 4 tablespoons of cream. You can use homemade cream or you can use the one from the market and mix it well. Cook on medium flame and let it thicken. Transfer to the bowl and drizzle more cream to it. The Methi Malai Matar is now ready. Enjoy! Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Do like, share and subscribe the video. A big thank you to all of you who have subscribed to the channel. And if you haven't, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.